Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to enable web and app activity on Google Rewards. First, open the Google Rewards. Here you can view your profile icon in top right corner. Tap on it. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Here you can view data and privacy in middle drawer. Tap on it. Then scroll down. Here you can view web and app activity. If you want to enable web and app activity, then click here. Then scroll down. Then go to web and app activity. If you want to turn on web and app activity, then tap here. Follow the prompts. Make sure include Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices using Google service is checked. Turn on. Then tap on Got it. So that's about it. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.